Hello friends, welcome to ASF Tutorial. This is Afnan Pasha. We are studying the program or the experiment known as conduction of heat in solid cylinder. For doing that, we'll just use the model wizard window. In that, since the cylinder is in symmetrical shape, so we'll take 2D axis symmetric. In this, under heat transfer, we'll select heat transfer in solid HT and then click add. Now we'll click the steady, and under steady parameters we'll select stationary and then OK. Since we have to do a heat transfer, so I'll just go to geometry. Under primitives I'll click rectangle. For this rectangle I'll give my weight as 0.08 meter and my height as 0.14 meter with our start point as 0.02, and I'll just select build all objects. Our material is built up. I want to give 2 points, so under geometry I'll just right click and choose point. In this first point I'll give it 0.02 and 0.04. A point is formed. Then again I'll right click geometry and choose point, and this one is 0.02 and Z value is 0.1, so that 2 points has been obtained. Now I'll just go to heat transfer in solid 1. In this I'll change the thermal conductive value, that is K, from material to user defined, and that is 52. Now I'll just go to the physical parameter. In this I'll choose my boundary. In that I'll choose temperature. For temperature select these three boundaries, that is boundary 2, boundary 6 and boundary 5. For choosing boundary 6, boundary 2 and boundary 5, under the temperature T0 type it as 273.15 Kelvin. Again choose boundary, under boundaries choose heat flux. For this heat flux choose the center boundary known as boundary 3. Now under in this Q0 value type 5E5, that means 5 into 10 to the power of 5 watt per meter square. Now since all the physical parameters are done, I'll just right click mesh and give build all, so that my mesh is built. Again then right click study and give compute. Our experiment is getting computed. We have obtained the final output of our heat conduction in a solid cylinder. We are just considering the part, and at the core what we have obtained is this, that is the minimum temperature is 273 Kelvin and the maximum temperature is 478 Kelvin. For doing the point evaluation, just click result toolbar. Under that select cut point 2D. In this cut point 2D give value of R as 0.04 and Z also 0.04 at point R is equal to 0.04 meter and Z is equal to 0.0 meter, and we will calculate the point evaluation. And this under data set just select cut point 2D and unit of temperature as Kelvin, then click evaluate. For point of R is equal to 0.04 and Z is equal to 0.04, our temperature is nearly 333 Kelvin, that is 332.96 Kelvin. Now our final output is obtained at temperature 3D HT. This temperature 3D HT output is 273 Kelvin and maximum temperature is 473 Kelvin, and the other output is isothermal contours HT. This is the diagram of that. Hope you guys have understand the program completely. If you have any doubts, please leave your doubts in comment box. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get the notification about what and all videos have been uploaded. And all the best for your upcoming exams or anything, and if you are doing any project, all the best for your project. If the program is helpful for you, do comment, like, share and subscribe. and forward to your other friends also. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video, guys.